The oil filter finally is out with a lot of damage. Also me. So the last time I was checking octopus to put under and try use other type of tool to try take out the filter, the oil filter, and I couldn't find. I found just online, and I need to wait a couple of weeks and also spend a little bit more money, and this wasn't nice. So my idea was asking someone that I have knowledge about, and one of my brothers in Brazil is this guy. He works just with motorcycles, and he do many things in the motorcycles, also helmets. Anyway, he told me, if you don't want spend more time and more money with tools, just hammer a screwdriver in the middle of the oil filter and turn. So I was fixing the shed with my brother-in-law and my father-in-law. So they helped me to, after fix the shed, we went to check the motorcycle, and they helped me. We turn aside the motorcycle, and I hammer a screwdriver and I turn. So it was this way that was possible to take out a big hole from the screwdriver. But anyway, was the way that was possible. Now it's out, is gone. I already changed the oil, changed the filter, so I'm going to the next steps. That will be take a look in the gas cable. I'm thinking it's not so good. When I accelerate, is a little bit strange, and I will check the clutch cable also. Before it, I need to clean in front of the house because I have a big stain of oil. So I will clean this not only for me but for to the neighbors also. It's not so nice. Have a stain oil in the streets. Anyway, I will do this and always listen some metal and ready for more.